Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about URL widget in Odoo 19 for our custom module. Now, in today's lecture, we will be studying about how to prevent delete operation for your custom module in Odoo 19. So, what I mean to say is when suppose let's say there are lots of records here. Now, if I don't want any of the user to delete the record, they can create or change the record, but I don't want them to delete the record. What I can do, first thing, I can give my custom logic. Second, I can hide the particular field, or I can simply add XML delete equals to 0. Other than that, there is also one type of functionality we can do in Odoo, that is using onDelete decorator in the Odoo 19. So let's see the working. Now what I want is, here there are lots of records. What I'll do is, if the record is in available state, I don't want them to delete the particular record. Currently, if I select the record and click on delete, it will get deleted. But I don't want that particular records to be deleted. So in order to do that, all we need to do is use on delete decorator. Now first let's go to the code. Here in the code, let's go for our book view, and here book view we simply create a function if not delete. You can write any of as per your requirement. I have simply create a function, and here I will simply iterate loop over self, and if ret dot state, state is our, here state is if the state is available, equals to available equals to available. What we will do, we will raise validation error, you cannot delete the record. I have simply created a function in which if record is in available state, you will raise a validation error. Now I'll simply restart the server. No need to upgrade your module, we simply refresh it. And if I'll select any of the record and try to delete, see, it's still getting deleted. Now what I'll do, I will use the onDelete decorator. Now first go to the code. You need to import API. It is already there. Go to the function @api.ondelete. Keep it like that. So what I have done, I have simply added onDelete, and here there is a parameter as well at uninstall equals to false. Keep it like that. We will see what this particular parameter will be there in the next lecture. For currently, just see this as a normal parameter. What I have added a onDelete decorator. Now I'll simply restart my server, refresh the page, and suppose let's say it is now available state. It is currently now available. Now if I try to delete it, see, it shows the validation error of you cannot delete the record. Why? Because we have added the decorator onDelete. Without onDelete, I have shown you that the records will get deleted. Also, if I try to delete any of the other records like this, it will get deleted. So If you want your user to not to delete the record, but they can edit or create the record, you can use the onDelete decorator. So let me summarize today's topic. First, in order to prevent the deletion of the record, go to the code, create any of the function as per the requirement, and simply add a decorator api.ondelete followed by @_uninstall is equals to false. I will tell you what this particular parameter will do in the next lecture. For now, just see this as a parameter. Simply add equals to false and simply write your logic and restart your server. You will see your functionality working. I hope today's small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.